with the Limes. It's Papi Lime, Mommy Lime, DJ Lime, and Alina Lime. That's right, we're taking a Disney cruise and we're checking out the spot. We're about to get on the elevator. Party, party, party in the elevator. Okay, so me and Alina are here. We're about to go eat some lunch before we take off.
Alright, all you mouse here, it's time to head out to your vacations. Troops ready? Alright, here we send one more epic wave all around the pool deck just like before. We're gonna start that wave all the way over here, and we're gonna send it all the way to that side. 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Oh yeah, we even got delicious food right here and DJ's Matcha. Oh yeah, and they got unlimited ice cream. That's right. So excited. Getting that ice cream. Yes. So we are on level 4 and it looks amazing. Check it out. Wow. Looks like they're setting up downstairs for something cool. I think Mickey Mouse is coming soon. And we've already started to move. Okay, so I'm standing very still and you can see us slowly moving. And then you can see this little guy's head. This guy. Ah!
Very good, sir.
Oh man! Hey, babe. Was it so cool? Wow! So excited. Look, she's like, I want to go back. We even got some nice live music. Hey, so we just came back from a show and check it out. They transformed our room, left us some goodies, and even transformed our couch into a double-decker bunk bed. Check it out. I didn't even see this. What is that? Oh, yeah. Is that where you're going to sleep?
Yeah.
But that is so cool, right, Alina? What you think? I agree. Here's a quick glimpse at the restrooms. 1 and 2. Of course, it doesn't come with the little baby Alina. Right, Alina? You cleaning? Okay, good. Good. We're gonna make sure everything's clean before we leave. So we're about to eat some dinner, and this place was inspired by Beauty and the Beast. Check it out, yo. It's the Rose, yeah. Got delicious food like this. This is the fried brie. Got a little bit of shrimp action. And then mac and cheese. Bah! Oh, Lena just got a Mickey Mouse. A Mickey Mouse ice cream. Go, baby. Oh, yummy. Okay, so I just got my dessert. I'm very excited. Check it out. It's DJ. Dun, dun, dun. Alright, so check it out. So for dinner today, the waiter made us this crazy looking origami like bunny out of a napkin for the kids. So cool. Check it out. They even have Chip and Dale. Wow. Alright, so we're next in line to be seen with Chip and Dale. So excited. Hey, look, it's Pluto. Where you going, Pluto? He's a celebrity, right? Upstairs. Made it to the top of the deck. Whoa. Jay, you made it to the deck. What do you see outside?
I see dark water.
Dark water? Oh, wow. Check it out. There's just a couple of bubbles that we see. And out in the distance, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a tiny boat way out there. Oh, scary, scary. DJ just made another discovery. Look, they have an outdoor basketball area. Yes! This is awesome! Hey, what's going on? Guess what? It is day 2 and we're about to go eat some breakfast and see what we can discover over here at Nassau, Bahamas, right behind me. Oh yeah, you ready, Alina, to have some fun? Alina's got her Mickey Mouse and I got my Mickey shirt. Wow, check it out. That's Nassau, Bahamas. And we found Minnie Mouse, Stitch, Rapunzel, Tiana, and Cinderella. Hey DJ, so what's the plan? You gonna meet Stitch? Oh yeah, we're on this side now. We're just over there. Doing good. What? That's amazing. So fuzzy. What's going on, DJ? Hanging out by the window. Going there. Oh. Okay, so we just got off the boat right here. We're about to start our tour. Going to the aquarium. Whoa. Oh, look at the school of fish on top, DJ.
Super cool.
Giant
Careful with the baby.
fish.
Please.
Whoa. Looks like something out of Indiana Jones. Is that a Dory fish? What? Okay, so I think this is where you find some sharks with some laser beams on their head. I don't know. I'm over here hanging out with my buddy. He doesn't speak a lot though. Check it out. So now it opens out to like a little private man-made beach. I don't know. Hey, Alina, what do you have? Bubbles? Let me see you blow some bubbles.
Atlantis bubbles.
Ooh, look at the no-spill bubble action. Oh,
let me
so close. Hey, time with the limers. Don't forget to subscribe and like our video. Okay. Hey, DJ, are you in love or something? Then why are you in the heart swing? Woo! Check it out. It's a shark. And then also there's somebody in a tube. What? Would you do that, DJ? You would? You're crazy. Look at that. Wow, that's crazy. If you were wondering, it was in the Mayan temple where they got that slide and the shark. Then over there, it's a hammerhead shark. Check it out. See? Oh no, a big fish! and a giant shark.
She's probably Hey, how's it going, buddy?
He likes your hat.
Oh, nice. Oh, like a sideways cap. I don't know, about to catch some Pokemon maybe. There we go. I'm digging it, yeah. Very cool. All right, see you later, guys. Enjoy your sideways cap.
Well, that was cool, DJ.
I guess he threw him.
You see Dory?
Female warrior. You know, I always wanted to be a Valkyrie, and then I found out they were all women. Valkyries are some of my favorites.
Yeah, no problem.
Hello, friend.
There you go.
How are you?
Hi, Peggy.
DJ, you're next. Are you ready? Animator's Palette. And this is where we're gonna have dinner tonight. And Alina's looking rather dapper today. Whoa, everything's in black and white. I almost feel like I want to color everything. Check it out. So the menus, they're animated too. What? That's awesome. We're sitting here and all of a sudden this video starts playing and it's showing how they're drawing Bambi and such. Cool. Wow, so this just happened.
Well, he's tall and handsome and so romantic.
DJ.
I'm tired of taking. I want to make things. I want to add.
It's Donald.
To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. One hop this time. Everybody clap your hands. Check it out, y'all.
Now we're doing a conga. The conga line. Go DJ. Go DJ. Go DJ. Go DJ. Go behind me. Oh. Come on. In the conga. Now we're going to do the lemon. Okay, so it's day 3 and it's super windy outside. DJ, what you doing, bud?
I'm making
A sandcastle? Ah, using regular sand, huh? See if it works.
Open it, take it off.
See if I can do it. Give it a little shake.
And open.
Gotta do it, gotta do it.
Open it. What is it?
Here it comes. What's the rest of it? Alina, you washing your hands in the beach water? Oh, splashy, splashy, mama. Wow. Yeah, you gonna go swimming? Oh. Hey, what you doing? Okay. Ooh, what are you making? You making something? Oh, you put it all over your baby toes? How high can we swing? How high can we swing? Are you knocked out? Buddy, are you knocked out?
No, it's just
Whoa!
getting
Whoa! Let's check it out. You can get some ice cream right here at that booth over there. Get some food way back there. Enjoy it at the tables over there in the covered portion. Or enjoy some music with the DJ. Oh, yeah.
Then you can bring your discovery to me, and I will note down your name, your age.
Say discovery, DJ. So it's a very long word. And how many teeth have you found? Two.
Army mateys, that's right, today is Pirate Day, and we are going to see if we can find Jack Sparrow. That's Garvey. We got Mommy Lime over here.
Forward.
And we have DJ Lime. He looks rather dapper. And Alina Lime with her pirate. Oh yes, I got my bling edge on my ear. I'm Captain Hook. And Shmee. Yes. Look, check it out. This is where you get to watch movies, even new releases before they come out on theater.
It's a tiny pirate. It's a very nice pirate too.
It's Poppy Lime and Alina now. We're about to get started on a party out here on the main deck. Everybody's set up like a pirate.
Tonight, I'm on your side.
Disney Magic, if you're ready to party like a pirate, let me hear you say "Arr!"
Then it's time to introduce you to the rest of the pirate gang. Go crazy for Minnie Mouse! Captain Hook, Big Crew and I are commandeering your little party. Look, it's Mickey Mouse!
Where?
I'll show you how it's really done. Of course, I promised you a party, so here's a party in the sky!
Right, so where's Pirates theme today? Super cool. So DJ left to go do the limbo. I found him. There he is. Go DJ. Hey, guess what's up, guys? It's day number 4 on the Disney cruise ship, and what we're doing today was we're gonna make some napkin origami. Check it out, so DJ's out there. What is he doing? This is me right here. Yeah. I did the Mulan fan. It's so it's about to come apart. And now this one's called the tuxedo. It's called the bird of paradise. Yes. DJ's already on the next one. And now we made the corn on the cob. Yeah. Now I made a candle. Yes, now I did Peter Pan's boot. What? They did. Yeah, he got it. Check it out. So I didn't save the other ones, but these are my top 3. And now we're doing some origami. Look, made a butterfly.
All the way from the corner.
And it's like the sky is blue.
Go as the final goodbye. We're having this grand celebration with all the famous Disney characters. Go, DJ. That was awesome, baby.
Just so you know, we have just
DJ and Alina. Yay!
Hanging out with Mickey and the gang!
Johnny T's promise you a very special farewell before we get started.
Did you must person
She has a
may
big
have your
bow.
attention, please?
There you have it, just like that. Trip is over. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to make sure you like this video. Alina will see you when? Next time. All right, bye everybody. Whoop.